This is the overview page of the job. There are 3 other tabs: score, change analysis and entity distribution, which I'll talk about later. Let's start with the score overview breakdown. There are 3 metrics that we use: correctness, confidence and stability. All of these scores are out of 100. Correctness is about how correctly the model can predict the right outcome. Confidence is about how confident the model is about this prediction. And stability is about how stable the correctness and the confidence will stay over time. There is an evaluation of these scores with a colour code in, representing great, good, okay and bad. As you can see in this example, all 3 scores here are good. On the right hand side, you'll see the score distribution graph. This shows the distribution of each intent by bracket of score. You can see each bracket is of 5, so we have 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14 and so on. These bars are colour coded so you can easily see which ones are great, which ones are good, which ones are okay, and any that are bad will show in red and need some work. You can view this graph across the 3 key metrics: correctness, confidence and stability. As you can see, the stability one, there's a few intents that might need a little bit of work. The confidence one is very good and the correctness one is okay, but there are a few intents that might need a little work on. Beneath the score information, we have 2 tables. These will only be visible if you have run more than 1 test in your project, as these tables represent the comparison between this test and the previous one. Or you can change the job you want to compare to by clicking on the Compare Job button here. This table shows which intents have seen the largest direct changes. This means that intents listed here have had training data deliberately added to them, and the intents are listed in order of the biggest score change. The table on the right shows indirect changes. These can be very interesting. This shows the list of intents from your model that have not had any training data deliberately added to them, but the score has changed nonetheless. These indirect changes are just as important to be aware of as direct changes are. At the bottom here, you will find the list of the top entities found in this model.